Hey, I'm going to tell you how to set up your own stun and tent server in less than 1 minute. But before that, make sure you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share my videos. Welcome back. So I was searching the GitHub about a new source of the turn and stun server, and I found this one, Paul and Louis and Violet turn server. And I'm going to show you how to set up your own tent server in less than 1 minute. It literally takes like 30 seconds. So to do that, you need to have a VPS with the Linux OS on it. I have bought one of them on my own. So I'm going to SSH to my VPS like this, root at the IP address. I'm going to add the fingerprints and put the password. Let's log in. So all you have to do is to write this command inside your own terminal and make sure you'll copy and paste the IP address of your VPS. Let me do the same. So now it's time to copy and paste this one inside my terminal and wait for the process to be finished. Now we can check with Docker PS and see that if our stun server is running, it's time to test it. Let's go to meter.ca, turn server testing. Let's add our URL, turn, and the port is 3478, I guess. The username is user, as you can see here, and the password is password. Let's add this one. Now let's test. You can see stun and tent server both are reachable. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.